Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Miss Puji. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizal Yudhistira, and now I want to present the topic I choose. I choose talking about a semantic analysis of understanding sentence, utterance, and proposition in the lyric of the song Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Okay, the first introduction. In the study of semantic, the understanding of sentence, utterance, and proposition is fundamental to unraveling meaning in linguistic communication. This concept allows us to distinguish between grammatical structures, the use of language in context, and the core meaning conveyed. This topic is relevant in the context of communication because often the actual meaning depends not only on the words spoken but also on the context in which the others are used in the basic idea that is intended to be conveyed. Therefore, it is important to study this topic in order to be able to analyze and evaluate the use of meaning in various linguistic contexts in more depth. So, the purpose of this analysis is to identify and explain the difference and relationships between sentence, utterance, and propositions found in song lyrics. Through this analysis, it is hoped that it can be shown how these semantic concepts work in a real text, especially song lyric, and how understanding them and can enrich the interpretation of the meaning of the song. Okay, the next the the meaning about sentence, utterance, and proposition. According to Harford and Hesley, 1983, a sentence is an abstract grammatical construction not tied to a specific context and is an ideal language unit. A sentence is a string of words formed based on the grammatical rules of a language. For example, the sky is blue is a sentence regardless of whether the sky is currently blue or not. In contrast, uh, to a sentence, utterance is defined as the use of a sentence or part of a sentence in a certain context by a certain speaker at a certain time. Utterance is a physical event, can be in the form of speech or writing, and has a spatial and temporal context. For example, when someone actually says, the sky is blue one afternoon, it becomes an utterance. The meaning of an utterance can depend greatly on the situational context, intonation, and communicative purpose of the speaker. And next is proposition. According to Said, 209 and Lyons, 1977, is the score of declarative meaning that can be assessed for its true or false, and does not depend on the context or its specific linguistic form. A proposition is a basic idea or state of the world that is expressed by a sentence or utterance. A single proposition can be expressed by several different sentence or several different utterance. For example, the proposition "the sky is blue" can be expressed by the active sentence "the sky is blue." The passive sentence "blue is the sky," or even in different language as "the sky is blue." What is important is the core information being conveyed. So, this is my object of analysis. I chose from the lyric of the song Perfect by Ed Sheeran. So I chose the lyric of the song Perfect by Ed Sheeran as the object of analysis because the lyric of this song contain many expressions that can be analyzed to identify sentence, utterance, and proposition. But in this PPT, I choose just three data for presentation. For first data, the lyrics I found a love for me. That is for the sentence. I found a love for me is a sentence because it is a grammatical string of word in English following the subject, predicate, object structure. This is a complete grammatical unit. And next is utterance. When this lyric is sung or read in the context of the song Perfect, it becomes an utterance. Ed Sheeran, as the singer, utters it at a specific time and place in a performance or recording. The overall context of the song with its romantic theme gives a special meaning to this utterance, namely the statement of the discovery of love. And the next is proposition. The underlying proposition is the singer has found love. This is a claim that can be true or false in the fictional world of the song. This proposition does not change even if it is said with different. Okay, next is the second data. The lyric from the lyric of "Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead." For the sentence, this sentence is an imperative sentence, an instruction or invitation that is grammatical. For the utterance, in the context of the song, this utterance is an invitation from the singer to his lover to fully engage and trust his guidance. The word darling adds a nuance of intimacy and persuasion. And the next is proposition. The proposition here is a combination of two ideas. The lover must dive into the relationship, and the lover must follow the singer's guidance. Both are instructions that can be stated as true in the context that the instructions are being given. And the last data from lyrics of "Well, I found a girl beautiful and sweet." So for the sentence, "Well, I found this sentence is a declarative sentence that explains the discovery of a girl. For the utterance, this utterance is delivered uh, by Ed Sheeran in the lyrics expressing a positive descriptions of his lover. The word "well" can indicate reflection or as a conversation maker. for the proposition, the main proposition is the singer found a beautiful and sweet girl. This is a fact expressed in the song's narrative. And the next is conclusion. From the analysis of the lyrics of Ed Sheeran's song Perfect, it can be concluded that understanding sentence, utterance, and propositions is very important in parsing semantic meaning. A sentence functions as an abstract grammatical unit that form a structural basis. When this sentence is spoken or written in the context of a particular song lyric, it turns into an utterance which contains pragmatic and situational nuance, enriched by the intonation, the singer's purpose, and the overall narrative of the song. Meanwhile, the proposition extracts the core of declarative meaning that can be judged for its truth, the taking itself from the linguistic form or specific context of the utterance. Uh, thank you for your attention. Thank you, Miss Puji. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.